Welcome to the regular Faroe Islands News Report.
First up, we'll get into the latest news. After that, we'll take a look at some recent opinion pieces.
We're covering the new fishing agreement with Russia, workforce news, and some public commentary on a few hot topics. So, the Faroe Islands and Russia have just concluded their annual fisheries agreement for 2026.
But this time there's a big change. The new deal includes sanctions banning 2 specific Russian shipping companies.
And it's all been formalized. These new restrictions officially kick in on January 1st, 2026. Okay, now for some news from the maritime sector. The Captains and Navigators Association just held its annual meeting.
And the results were kind of mixed. The bottom fish fleet had a really strong year, but things look more complex for pelagic ships.
The association's chairman highlighted some concerns, particularly with the herring and mackerel agreements.
But the report also raised an alarm about the workforce. The average age for their union insurance members? 61. And this really points to a wider demographic issue, a key topic at the recent Job Match conference. All right, let's shift over to what people are talking about. Here's a look at some recent commentary. An opinion piece from a disability rights group asks why a national plan has been delayed for a decade. The piece really highlights the daily struggles for basic access to work, education, and just public life in general. In other commentary, a writer contrasts the goals of a private business with the principles of public service.
The argument is that these public rules are really about creating trust and transparency, not just about saving money.
Now, turning to politics, the Sjálvstýri Party recorded its worst-ever poll results just before the new year.
At 1.1%, they're well below the threshold for a seat, and one analyst thinks it's due to new policies.
A blogger recently reflected on what he saw as a link between anti-vaccine sentiment and pro-Russian viewpoints. In another post, that same writer was shocked when he found out his AI assistant could see his open browser tabs. Like and subscribe to PalsFundamentals for more content like this. Sources are linked below.